Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone has the latest Google Drive app and that you are signed into the correct Google account. Once done, open the app and tap the plus button to add or upload files. This is the very first actionable step. Make sure Drive has permission to access storage and camera so uploads are smooth. If you plan to scan documents, allow camera access. For automatic photo backup, enable backup and sync in settings. Now you're ready to create and upload. Next, focus on executing the core workflow. Upload, organize, and share. Tap the plus, choose upload or scan, then pick files or photos from your phone. Once uploaded, create folders and move items by long pressing and selecting move. This keeps everything tidy. To collaborate, select a file, tap share, and choose viewer, commenter, or editor and add email addresses. That determines what others can do. Remember to add descriptions and use starred items for quick access when you need them most. Finally, finalize your setup by enabling offline access for important files. Tap the three dots and choose Make Available Offline so you can work without internet. Use settings and backup to ensure your photos and device folders sync automatically, and watch the storage meter to avoid hitting limits. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by checking your Wi-Fi or cellular connection, verifying app permissions, and freeing storage space. Restarting the app or phone often clears transient errors. That completes your phone-based.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.